Hi, I'm Geoff Stedman, Senior Vice President of Business Development for Quantum. At Quantum, we specialize in providing not only the lowest cost retention of data, but also very high performance. The combination of Veeam and Quantum delivers solutions that provide hyper availability along with 3-2-1 data protection. We give our customers the hardware from Quantum, the software from Veeam, and together it's a 1 + 1 = 3 equation. Only Quantum provides a converged solution for Veeam. So for instance, we've integrated an iBlade technology into our tape libraries that allows us to run the Veeam tape server directly in our tape library, providing extreme simplicity and ease of deployment for our joint customers. Veeam is one of the fastest growing software companies in the industry with a great product that customers absolutely love. And so we like partnering with Veeam to provide that hyper availability solution that customers are looking for when they need to protect enterprise data and have a rock solid storage infrastructure to go with it. And Quantum can provide a consolidated location to back up and protect all of that data, again in a very scalable infrastructure that provides the best data retention at the lowest cost, along with the performance that's needed when you need that data back. Quantum views Veeam as a top-tier strategic partner. We are unique in the Veeam ecosystem because we have a converged tape solution, the only one on the market, and our inline dedupe solution is integrated with the Veeam Data Mover. So we're the only hardware partner for Veeam that is not a software competitor at all. We have a large aircraft manufacturer in the Southwest that was a longtime Quantum customer for our tape solutions. They were moving to a virtualized infrastructure and wanted to move off of net backup. The Quantum brought Veeam into that opportunity, turned into, I think, one of your largest solution deployments ever, and really provided proof of the better together story between Veeam and a Quantum solution for that customer's virtualized data. At Quantum, we really look forward to working with Veeam going forward as we go after the enterprise market. And we're very much looking forward to how our partnership evolves, how we can continue to add differentiation to our platform and provide the kind of availability solutions and data management solutions that customers really need.